morning po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Sid Soriano, isang creative digital home-based entrepreneur on the internet. And ako po ay isang distributor, independent distributor ng Max International dito po sa Pilipinas. Tanong niyo po, how to become a distributor ng Max? Una po, mag-enroll po kayo as an associate. When you enroll po as an associate, you register online or pwede po through us or sa office sa Makati. So, magre-register po kayo as an associate for 2,454 pesos or sa dollars po, that is $49 po. You now become an associate, enrolled associate of Max. Ngayon, ano po makukuha nyo as an associate? As an associate, una, you are now given the distribution rights to sell Max products in any of the 9 countries na open na po ang Max, namely Philippines, United States, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, Singapore, Fiji, Colombia, yun po yung mga countries na yan na bukas na po ano. So, yun po yung una, you have the distribution rights to sell in any of those countries, to retail. Tapos, the company provides you a control number or your ID number. Yung ID number nyo po, malaking bagay yan. Sa ibang mga kumpanya po, binibigyan kayo ng ID, pero hanggang ID lang yung identification, wala yun, useless yun sa kanila. Anyway, biro lang po. Ito, you're given an ID and you're given a replicating website. Kung sa replicating website po, we have a uniform standard na site. Tapos, yung parang referral ID nyo po, nakakabit doon. So, you have an online presentation, mga video presentations doon, tapos mga literatures about Max Glutathione, mga training videos which the company will be providing you. And you're also given an online store with a back office. Para sa mga hindi po nakakaintindi po ng back office po, it's a virtual office po or online office na makikita niyo na po kung ano po nangyayari sa inyo. Genealogy report niyo, hindi na kayo pupunta sa office, you can personally see it on the internet sa back office niyo po. Yung sales na pumapasok, makikita niyo na rin po doon na ilan na po pumasok, saan galing yung benta niyo or something, ganun. And then, kung mayroong nag-enroll na associate, taga saan yung associate, at saka kung ano-ano pa po. We're also provided a training materials in terms of literatures po and video, plus company support and among others. Isa po sa mga pinakamagandang company support po, lahat po ng mga tao dito tumutulong po sa inyo at ginagabayan po kayo, maging upline niyo po sila, downline niyo po sila, crossline niyo po sila, lahat po sila tumutulong para maging maganda po ang negosyo niyo po. So that's the basic po. Pangalawa, after you sign up as a distributor, you will purchase your starter kit. Ngayon, bakit ka magpa-purchase ng starter kit? Syempre, negosyo po ito. So, wala kang product starter kit, kaya magbibenta ako. Diba? Okay, yung product starter kit po natin, tatlong klase po yan. Meron po tayo yung personal pack, which is 7,880. Okay, so it has 2 boxes for you to start your business. So, you register, separate po yung registration nyo po as a distributor at saka separate po yung purchase nyo po ng product. Yan. So, medyo maluwag po ng konti. Ngayon, kung medyo seryoso ka na talagang gusto magnegosyo, enroll ka na, you purchase naman a professional pack. A professional pack is 7 boxes of Max products. Tapos, you can already sell Okay, you can already sell. Physical selling po ang sinasabi ko po. So, at 7,880, meron ka ng 7 boxes on the professional pack. Ngayon, kung medyo may experience ka, tsaka seryoso ka na, na entrepreneur, you can purchase a Premier Pack. A Premier Pack costs 57,900 sa Pilipinas. So, that contains 14 boxes of Max plus meron 2 free boxes from Max. So, yan po ang basic essentials or basic po kung paano ka maging distributor ng Max. Okay, una, magpa-enroll ka with an enrollment fee of 2,454, and then second, mag-purchase ka ng product, whether personal pack, professional pack, or business pack. Para po sa mga gustong magnegosyo or to partner up with Max as an independent distributor. Pwede po kayo magnegosyo in 9 different countries: United States, Canada, Philippines, Singapore, Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, Colombia. Yun po. Pwede po kayo magnegosyo doon.
Please watch the next video on the 9 ways of leverage income with Max International. For more information, you can contact Sim through his cell phone number, or you can add him on Facebook